Hello, so ito yung reading natin for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates. For those of you na gusto magpa-personal reading, Madam P, hashtag Madam P TV, yan yung Facebook page namin. Diyan ka nalang mag-inquire. May mga admin ako na mag-a-assist sa inyo. Let's start what we have here for water sign. Ako pala si Madam P, no? Let's start your reading. Pa-comment ako dyan guys sa baba. If you're not aware, meron tayong special channel for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Feel free to check it out. Meron din tayong almost daily love reading dun sa channel for water sign. Water sign, what do we have here for water sign? The Star, Two of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Ayan, main energy. The Star. And the Two of Swords. Major Arcana. The Star. Seven of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may mga decision kang ginagawa ngayon. And I do love the energy kasi with the Star, yung decision na ginagawa mo is kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. Kung ano talaga yung, like maybe pangarap mo or kung ano yung tingin mong mas makakatulong or magbibigay ng growth sa'yo. The Seven of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. May mga bagay kang inaalisan or gustong alisan. Yung iba financial energy. It could be career or work na maybe nakikitaan mo ng toxicity. The Seven of Pentacles, or parang feeling mo hindi ito nag-grow. Six of Cups, meron kang something in mind ngayon. Yung iba naman, if this is not yung career mismo, it could be particular person dun sa area or career na yon na parang as much as possible gusto mo iwasan or layuan kasi toxic eh. Person nakakonect mo for the sign of water sign, person nakakonect mo. Spirit guides, angel guides, what we have here for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Spirit guides, angel guides for water sign, please. For water sign, please. Okay. Four of Cups. Ayan. Five of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio. Pisces energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with the King of Swords. Nakakakuha tayo dito ng pagde-daydream dito sa taong to with the Five of Swords. Nakukuha ko yung energy na kahit this is past energy. Parang kahit wala ka na, ini-imagine ka pa rin niya. And para sa'yo, pwedeng marami ka na kasing luha na naipatak dito sa taong to. And the King of Swords, yung person na to parang nakita tayo ng na-stress siya, napapagod siya, dami niyang problema. Pwedeng nakikita ka niya or naaalala ka niya sa tuwing may problema siya kasi maybe in the past, ikaw yung tumutulong, number one, na tumutulong sa kanya. Or pag may problema siya, ikaw agad yung nauuna niyang naisipan lapitan. Emotions, spirit guides, angel guides, spirit guides, angel guides um for ano to, water sign. Five of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords. Nine of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Actually, nakita tayo dito ng pagkakaaway or pagkakagulo. Especially with someone na may young energy, someone na very immature. Ten of Swords, I feel like hindi makuhang umalis ng person na to sa sitwasyon niya, sa pagkakalugmok niya, namomroblema talaga din siya. Financially with the Seven of Pentacles, pwedeng hindi siya nag-grow. Magkaiba yung energy niya eh. Parang may kanya-kanya kayong pinagfo-focusan. Tapos with the Five of Wands, nakita tayo dito ng competition. Anyway, what's with the Page of Pentacles? Tell me about the Page of Pentacles. The Hermit, this is Virgo energy. So, pwedeng may pakikipagsagutan, pag-aaway with someone na young or mas bata sa'yo. And it could be sa area ng home or energy ng home to, and or tinuring mong tahanan, ganon. The Wheel of Fortune, nakita tayo dito ng pagbabago ng plano. Maybe regarding sa pagta-travel or what. In the future, tell me about the future. Ace of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles. Actually, nagpakita na tong card na to kanina. At saka to, Eight of Swords. The Devil, the Six of Swords, and the King of Cups. Nine of Cups. I can see new love. Paparating sa'yo. But with the Eight of Swords, dadating the person na to pero hindi ka fully open. Nine of Pentacles, magiging connection ninyo is pwedeng may kinalaman muna sa money or what. Ganon. Tsaka with the Six of Swords and the Devil, pwedeng bumalik or dumating itong person na to sa'yo na meron siyang pinag-move onan. Like, pwede may mga nag-end muna sa kanya bago siya dumating sa'yo. And this could be new person. New love. Kaya yung iba sa inyo with the Eight of Swords, pwedeng nandun yung feeling na parang hindi ka open completely dito sa taong to. Kasi of course, ayaw mo naman na parang panakibutas ang energy. Or, nandun kayo sa stage ng pagkakakilanlan. Itong person na to. And this is like new person or new energy. So, kung past person siya, pwedeng mas nabago yung mindset or yung pagkatao nitong taong ito ngayon. So, hindi ka masyadong open or willing to open up yung sarili mo sa kanya. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.